So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your charging port warning that shows you warning of water inside your charging port. Now in order to do it, first of all, it's a very not a natural process. Just simply don't connect your charger if it shows warning until it disappear. It will take time around 6 7 8 9 hours to get the water naturally evaporated from your charging port. Do not insert anything inside your charging port and do not connect it to the charger. Make sure to place your phone in a direction that your charging port comes downwards. And also if you can do one thing also, if you have water inside your speakers as well along with the charging port, you can go to this website, that is fixmyspeakers.com, and run this blower that generates some frequency that help you to eject water from your speakers. And yes, you just have to wait for it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.